Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. And I just wanted to show you a setup that was a request today in the training room. I am in the training room at Simpler from 2 to 2:30 Central every Tuesday. And I like this setup. It's FCX. I am not familiar with the stock personally, but I do like the setup. That's all I need to know. It is a royal setup because we are above the 200, we are above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. Now we are coming up to some resistance right now, and that is where we've failed. But what I would like to do is look at a lower time frame chart for an entry because we're already away from this original entry and it has triggered on all time frames. So 33.15 to 33.26 was the original setup zone. It is triggered on all time frames. Now it is pulling back. This is a lot of times where I do like to get an entry into something. So I was looking at the 15-minute chart here, and there is a little two-step pattern here, which are another one of my favorites. And that is coming in 34.99. Just says 34.99, okay? And if we were to bust that, then the next little setup zone I have for you is 34.31 to 35 that you could use as a zone of risk. And as always, I want you to wait for triggers. You could just wait for a 5-minute trigger off of 1 or 5-minute trigger off of these zones, depending on what type of trade you are doing. But it is already triggered on a 15 and a 30 from this original setup zone. So now we have the pullback setup zone, and this is where I am interested in getting into the trade. If this low from today is any good, then the target off of that smaller swing is going to be 36.53 and 36.96. But of course, you are welcome to use the targets off of this larger setup, 40.72 and 42.78. Those are the targets that I will be using. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me